Hey, what's going on guys? My name is Alex and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to fix slow Google Chrome. This video is going to be really quick and simple and pretty much straightforward. Let's get straight to the point of this video. First of all, of course, open Google Chrome. Then in the top right corner in the three dots, click that and then go down here to where it says more tools and then click extensions. Right here by default they're going to be, I'm pretty sure, 4 extensions. It's by Google itself. I do not remember what it says exactly, but I think one it says Google Documents. Remove everything in here except the ones that you need, because you might say this is pretty stupid. Leave every single extension that you have installed. Trust me, if you have lots of extensions, that's going to take up resources, your CPU, your RAM, and your hard drive, pretty much rarely. But remove all of these because it's going to lag out Google Chrome very quick. That's the first method right here. We do not need Google anymore. We will need to go to command prompt right now. To do that, go to start, then type here command prompt. We will need to run it as administrator. Just right click in here and click run as administrator. Then click yes. It does not show it in the recording. I do not know why. I have said this multiple times in the video, in past videos. And right here we will need to type ipconfig then /flushdns. It's pretty much straightforward. If you don't understand something, I have them in the description as well. It's ipconfig / of course just click space right here, because if you put them all together it's not going to work. Then /flushdns. Then after you have typed it, hit enter. Then it should say Windows IP configuration successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. If it says something else, make sure you have typed the correct thing. Then we will need to type one more command. You will type this command right here. I'll tell you right now. I have it in my phone because I do not remember it from my head. You will need to type netsh winsock reset, or I cannot pronounce that first word right here. Winsock reset. Then hit enter again. Hit enter again. And if it says successfully reset the winsock catalog, you're good. If it says something else, as I said before, make sure you have typed the correct thing. And that's the video, guys. That was pretty simple. It said also restart your computer. I recommend restarting it, because if you don't, it's not going to work very properly. And yeah guys, thanks for watching. If you have any video ideas, tell me in the comment section, because I'm running out of ideas. If you have any problems, tell me in the comment section. I will try to help you as much as possible. In this video specifically, you do not need to write anything, because this video is pretty much straightforward, as I've said it 3 times already. And that's going to be my 4th video in a row. That's not going to last for long, I'm telling you right now. Let's hope for tomorrow I upload a 5th video. That's going to be really cool. 5th video in a row. Let's hope that happens. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you tomorrow, maybe. See ya.